What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Apple Doc, your plug for anything and everything Apple. Now, today we're going to switch up the style of the show a little bit. Instead of introducing you into something new, we're going to show you something that, well, you probably already have, but may not be using to the fullest potential. That's Apple's second best-selling product, the AirPods. Today we're going to give you the 5 most important tips and tricks that you can do to get the most out of your AirPods or AirPods Pro. Okay, our first tip might seem kind of basic, but we need to get our AirPods paired to our iPhone. And that's really simple. All you do is take the AirPods, flip open the lid, hold it next to your iPhone, and there, it recognizes your AirPods. Now, if you have an Android, you simply take the back of the AirPods, you press the button and hold it, and on your Bluetooth app inside of your Android phone, you'll find the AirPods and you'll pair them that way. Now for our second tip, we're going to show you how to connect Siri to just one AirPod. You'll go into settings, you'll find your AirPods, you'll click on the blue eye. Once you get there, you'll go to the press and hold AirPods menu. There'll be a left and a right. You'll go to the one that says left or right, and it'll say Siri or noise control. Now as you can see, I already have it set to Siri, but I can easily turn it off and go to noise control. So now, when I press and hold my left earbud, Siri pops up. Okay, tip number 3, and probably my personal favorite, it's actually using your AirPods to watch Apple TV. So let's just say you live with somebody. They're in the same room as you and you don't want to disturb them. Whatever you're streaming on your Apple TV can actually be streamed to the AirPods. So to pull this trick off, all you have to do is simply take your Apple remote, long press the TV button. On the side, it'll pull up your devices. You go to the casting, you see it, you find your AirPods, and boom. Now you're listening to whatever you're listening to on your Apple TV in your AirPods, not disturbing your family members. This one is actually really good because sometimes these earpieces aren't exactly fitted just the way you want them for your ear. So in order to do this, you'll go to settings, you'll go to Bluetooth, again, find your AirPods, click on the eye, and then right down here it'll say ear fit test. Continue. Now, when you press this, it's gonna play a little music, a little song, whatever, and at the end of it, it'll let you know if your earbuds are calibrated correctly for your ear. Okay, looks like we're all good. When it's not, it'll give you like some yellow warnings and it'll say adjusted. And if they aren't fitting correctly, they come with extra spare ear tips. And so if they're not working right, you just switch them out and make sure you get it, because everybody's ears are different. Okay, so this tip comes in really handy if you like to work out and you have an Apple Watch. Really simple. All you do, we'll unlock our Apple Watch, you'll come in here, slide up, go to the Aircast, find your AirPods, boom. You can even change the sound profile. And now you can go on that run, be in the gym, and all of your music will be on your watch. You won't have anything in your pockets. Okay, that's been our 5 tips and tricks for the AirPods Pro and AirPods. We hope these helped you out. If you don't have some, we hope this convinced you to get some because these have been very, very useful, at least to me with all of my Apple products. This has been more quarantine content. And of course, we're gonna be debuting more products later on. But for now, we can always help you with products that you already have. Be sure to hit us up in the comments, like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time, stay at home, wash your hands. I keep saying that, but it's still true.